Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block a number on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. You can block a number in two ways. You can either block a number which is in your contacts or a number which is not in your contacts. So let's go to Phone app and do both of these things. First, let's block a contact. To block a contact, choose a contact you want to block. Then click on block numbers. You can report it as spam. I'm not gonna do it, just block it. And to unblock it, click on unblock. Okay. And to block a number which is not in your contacts, click on three dots in top right corner, settings, then blocked numbers, add a number, and now enter the phone number you want to block. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.